Hey guys, this is Khadeen and you are watching Grow with Khadeen. In this video, you are going to learn that how you can create this kind of beautiful e-commerce website using a free WordPress theme. Now, let me just tell you that we are going to use Elementor to create this website, so you don't need any technical or programming knowledge to build this website. This would be completely drag and drop, and you can learn drag and drop website builder within 5 to 10 minutes. And this website would take around less than an hour to be built. And here you can see we have each and everything here. We have the header section, then we have featured collection, then we have this shop highlight section, featured categories and footer, and we can add more sections to it as well. And if you will create this type of website using any other website builder, they will charge around $200-300 per year and maybe more than that. And you will have to spend a lot of time on it. Like usually a WooCommerce website takes around a week to build it, but we will be doing the complete website within an hour. And I'll also tell you about some of the crazy marketing strategies with which you can drive free traffic to your website. You know about the paid traffic, and I'll also tell you a bit about the paid traffic as well. Now, this is the website. Basically, this website is for cosmetics, but you can create a website for any kind of e-commerce store you are going to start. And if someone wants to buy the products, they can just go directly to the shop. Here they can get any product, and let's say I just want to buy this one, so I'll just click on add to cart. Then here we have this view cart button. Then here if they have any coupon, they can apply it, and then they can just proceed to checkout. And here we don't have payment methods till now because I haven't integrated any payment method, but you can integrate a payment method to it using, I guess, so you can integrate PayPal, Stripe, or any local payment method into it. And I'll tell you that how you can integrate any payment method into your website, but it will be with the process. And if you know about WordPress, then I have created some of the sections, chapters. So you can just have a look at those chapters in description, or you can see in the video. So if you want to skip any specific part, you can skip that part. So now let's just not waste your time, and let's just get right into it. Now a bit overview. Here you have blog, home, shop, contact. We can edit this one, we can edit this one, and also we'll be using one-click demo import, with which you can import the complete website within few seconds. Pre-made website, you don't have to design anything. You will get the ready website. You just have to change few things and your website would be ready. Then here you have my account page. Here people can log in and sign up as well. Then if someone wants to track their shippings, they can track shippings as well, and a lot other things. So let's just get right into the video. Watch this full video till the end. So the first step to create a website is buying a domain name and web hosting. If you already have, you can skip this part, but if you don't have and you don't know about web hosting, what is web hosting and what is domain name, I will explain you each and everything. So if you don't know what domain name and hosting is, domain name is basically the address of the website. Like here we are on the website hostinger.com. So this is the domain name of this website, hostinger.com. If you will go to Google, you will see google.com, or this website, this is athemes.com. So that's how you need a specific domain name. Like my store would be Khadeen Store, and my store name would be Khadeen Store. So I'll have to buy something like khadeenstore.com, khadeen.store, khadeen.store.ca for Canadian people, khadeen.store.co.uk for UK, and these kind of things. And hosting is where all your website files are stored. Let's say this is the website. This website has pictures. This website has buttons, codes, all these things. All these things are stored on a server, on a computer, which is 24/7 connected to internet. And you have to buy both these things. And there are several companies, but I would recommend hostinger.com because it's most affordable. And also, I think it's the best now. So to get the Hostinger, what you have to do is you just have to go to link in description. In description, you will get the link to Hostinger to get a special discount. Or what you can do is you can directly type webifiedhub.com/Hostinger, and you will get to this hosting. Now this is the web hosting we are going to use, and after going to this website, you can claim the deal from here, or you can just go to hosting, just go to WordPress hosting, and here when you will go below, here you have multiple packages. Single WordPress, if you just want one website, then you can go with $1.99 per month. Then you have WordPress starter, where you will have 10 websites with 100 GB SSD storage and unlimited bandwidth, you can select this one. Or if you want more stores, for if you are going to start a web design agency kind of thing, you want to start e-commerce web design services, then you can buy one web hosting and then provide services there, and it would be $3.99 per month. It's most affordable. Their service is best. In past I used Bluehost, but when I tried Hostinger, like, it blew my mind, and I just used it for one of my client and I thought it is the best, so I just switched to it. And now I am using my websites, I'm hosting my websites on Hostinger itself. Then you have this WordPress Pro plan. You can go with any of these plan, but my recommendation would always to go with this WordPress starter plan. So just click on add to cart, but if you are tight on budget, you can go with this one. So I have added this plan to cart. You will also get domain name for free. You don't have to pay for domain name. Okay, you will get a domain name for free from Hostinger. So on first payment, you will get a special discount, and after that you will have to pay extra amount. Like when we bought this $2.99 per month plan, after when the let's say I just paid for first year, next year it would renew on another price. So you just have to keep in mind about that. So if you will buy it for 1 month, then you will have to renew it at $11.99 per month. And if you will buy it at for 12 months at $2.99, you will have to renew it at $8.99 per month. Like for as long you buy, you will get the like less price. Okay, so for 24 months if I'll buy it, I'll get I'll after 2 years, like 24 months, I can renew it at $7.99 per month. But if I'll buy it for 4 years, I can renew it at $6.99 per month. And for next 3 years I don't have to pay any, for next 4 years I don't have to pay anything. I'll buy hosting at $2.99 only for next 4 years, and after 4 years I'll have to pay $6.99 per month. And I always prefer having this 48 months plan because it's affordable, and also it's good for you. You don't have to pay a lot, you are saving a lot, and it's just a bill of I think $143, and I think that's not a lot, because for most of the hosting companies this is the bill for only 1 year. So that's why I am recommending you this hosting company. After that, you will get a free domain name as well. I'll tell you how to get it and all that. Now what you have to do is you just have to pay this bill. You can pay it via credit card, debit card, or you can pay it via PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or you can pay it via CoinGate. You have multiple options. You can pay it via anything. After that, just click on submit secure payment. They will ask you for a password, and you just have to set up that password. And after setting the password for you, you just have to go back to Hostinger, just click on login, and here you will have to just sign in with your email and password. There you just added your email. Here in cart you will have to add all your email and other details as well. I am already logged in, so that's why it's not asking me for those details. Let me just log out. And here, first of all, it will just ask me for my email, etc. email details. Here I'll have to add my email address, or what you can do is you can just directly sign in with Google. And after you will sign in with Google, here you have to add all your payment details. After clicking on secure payment, what you have to do is you just have to go back after you have set up the password. Here enter the email on which you registered and enter the password here, and you will just be directed to the Hostinger dashboard. Now I'll just pause the video, I'll add the email and password, and I'll just go to dashboard, and there I'll show you how dashboard works. Now this is my Hostinger dashboard, and you can see my two websites, this webifyhub.com and khadeenakbar.com, both are hosted on Hostinger itself. And I have this business web hosting that I recommended you. I'm recommending you the hosting which I'm using myself. Then what you have to do is you just have to click on this claim domain name to claim the free domain name. Enter your domain name from here, just select it. Like let's say I want to claim khadeenstore.com. khadeenstore.com. So I'll just check the availability first of all. It's available. I'll just claim the domain, but I don't want to claim it, and I'll just leave it. Now what you have to do is you just have to go to this website section, and here you just have to click on create or migrate a website. Now here you just click on create a new website. Then I just want to create a WordPress website. Then select the administration email, which would be your admin, and then select the password. And I'll just select the password. I have just add. Let me just. So I have selected the password, and now I'll just click on continue. Then which plugins do you want in your website? Skip. Then which theme do you want? I don't need any template. Then if you want to claim a free domain name, buy a domain, or use an existing, you just have to select this one. And after selecting it, here you have to select your domain name. To select the domain name, first of all, select the extension. Here you have multiple extensions. I'll select this .com. Then here you have to add a domain name you want. Like if I want to create a store for me, I'll add Khadeen Store, or let's say I'll add Web Hustlers Academy.com or webhustlersclub.com or any other thing for any domain I want to buy. After selecting this, and now I'll just click on this search, and congratulations, this domain name is available, webhustlersacademy.com. I'll just click on continue. To get this domain name for free, you will get one domain name for free, and the second one or third one or fourth one would be paid. And now here, first of all, I'll have to add the details. Is it personal or a company? So I'll select the company, or I can select the personal as well, which is the country. My country is Pakistan, so I'll just select this country. Then next step. Then here you have to enter all your details. After adding these details, I'll just click on finish registration, and my domain name would be registered. Now it's doing the initial setup. It's installing the SSL, and it's doing all the stuff for me. I don't have to do anything by myself because I am using Hosinger. So it will do all for me, and then I'll be redirected to the dashboard. And here you go, our website is installed now, and now you can just go to WordPress to edit your website, or you can just go to control panel. I'll just directly go to the control panel to see my website. So here I am on the control panel, and here I have all the websites. I'll go to the home, and here you can see in the websites, I have these three websites. My main website, khadeenakbar.com, webifyhub.com, and this is the website on which we are going to just do all those edits and all that stuff. So this is the website, and I'll just click on edit website first of all, or I'll just click on manage, and here you can just manage the website. You can create the free domain name, free email, you have backups and all that stuff. And if we'll go to this website, it will take us to here. This is a parked domain, and now what we'll do is we'll just click on edit website, and it would redirect us to the WordPress admin area where we will be editing our website. And after getting redirected, this is the website right now that is automatically created by WordPress, but we just have to convert this website into this website within a few minutes, and you will see how this website is converted. And here, when you will click go there in dashboard, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard, and this is where we will be editing our complete website, and we will be just doing all that website design and that kind of stuff. And here in dashboard, we have multiple options starting from post. Here we can add blog posts, then media, then pages. Here we can add or remove pages. Then we have comments. This is basically for a plugin, a form plugin. Then appearance. Here we'll be managing all the themes and stuff. Then we have plugins, users, tools, and the basic settings. In settings, you have all the kind of settings, like what do you want for your website. And you might have noticed that here you have subdomain for right now. This is because domain is in registration process. It takes some time to be registered. So after it will done, it would automatically be directed to your edit to your website. Okay, so here we are. And these are some of the general settings. So you can just play around these settings. First of all, these are general settings. Then we have writing settings, reading settings, and all kind of settings. So you can just check these out, but we don't need to access these all these, because we just want to create a website, and the theme would help us to create the website. And now it's time to install the theme, and which is the main thing. We will be just installing our WordPress theme, and to do that, what we have to do is you just have to go to appearance and themes. There are premium themes available as well, but we are going to use a free theme to install to create our website. And I'll just click on add new. Here, just type in Botiga, and you will get the theme. This theme is what we are going to use. Just click on install, and this theme would be installed. And after installing this theme, here you can see our theme has been installed. And now what I will do is I will just reload it. Okay, so our theme has been installed, and I guess it's not activated, so I'll just go back to the themes. And here I just have to activate this theme, so I'll just click on activate. And here you go, the theme has been activated now. And now it's asking to if we want to add the starter site. So you just have to click on this starter sites to import the demos. So here you can see here we are on the starter sites, and you just have to install this demo importer. And I'll just click on install demo importer, and it would install the demo importer for us. And here you can see here we have got all the themes templates here, and we can install any of these templates. Now the problem here is that other themes are with the pro version. Other templates, apparel, furniture, jewelry, single product, and multi-vendor, these all are with the pro version. And if you want to get it, you will have to go to the website and get the pro version. But we have this beauty for free, and we can just install it, and we can just edit it to create a store for us. You can just change the products, you can do a minor changes, and you can just customize this store easily. Now here you have two options, Gutenberg and Elementor. I'll select the Elementor. And do you want to install the placeholder only or entire site? I'll select the entire site, and then just click on next. And if you want to subscribe to their newsletter, you can subscribe to it, and then it would install the demo for us. It would take a few seconds or maybe a minute to install all the required plugins and to install the theme for us. And after theme would be installed, then you will see our website would be turned from the simple website to the website I showed you in the overview. And here you go, the theme has been imported, and this was our previous website, and it would be turned into this website now. And after importing, here you can see we just got this website. We have each and everything here. Like we have this banner, we have this featured collection, and then we have these featured categories, etc., etc. We have each and everything sorted, and now we will do the customization, because our complete website is designed now, and we have the complete professional WordPress website installed. Now, if you want some other designs for some other types of websites, obviously you will have to get the pro version. You just can go to the link in description, or just go to webifydhub.com/Botica, and here this is the store, and you just have to click on Go Pro, and from here you can just get the pro version. And here you have all the features you will get with the pro version, and this is just $69 per year, and you can just get the pro version as well. You will get mini cards and a lot other wish list and a lot other features, so you can go with that one. But right now we'll do customization of this template, this theme, and we will just work on it. And now it's time for customizations, the theme customizations. First of all, we'll just customize the theme, like changing the logo, changing the other things, changing the design, how you can change the design and all that. And then I'll show you that how you can add the products and do all that stuff. So to change the design, you just have to go to this customize button, or you can just go to your dashboard. And here in appearance, you will get the customize button. So you can just go to appearance, the customizer. This is basically the default customizer. If you know about WordPress, how to use WordPress, then you know about this customizer. But if you don't know about it, then I'll tell you that how you can use it. So here we are on customizer now, and now what we will do is we will here we have each and everything set up. So first of all, you have these headers and footers, and also when you will hover over something, you can edit that thing. Like let's say I just want to edit this logo, so I'll just click on this logo and I can edit that logo easily by just clicking on that pencil icon. It would take me to that specific part, and I can just edit that logo. Like let's say this one, so I'll be taken to this one. So if I want to change this logo, I'll just click on change logo, and then I will just click on select files, and I will just select the logo like this one. I'll select this logo. This logo will be uploaded. I'll just select it. Then I'll just select the dimensions for this logo. I want this logo in these dimensions. And after selecting the dimensions, click on crop image. And here you can see the logo has been updated now. And when we'll just go back, and we have all those settings. Same is with the footer. If you want to change the footer settings, you can go there and you can just change the footer settings. Now we have this domain, which is a staging domain. We can change this anytime we want, but for right now we just want the staging website. Now to edit, first of all, here we have the header, so we'll just go to header, and if you want to change this header image, you can just change the header image from here, and you can also add display conditions. Then you have this header builder. This header builder, let me just show you. So this is basically the header, and this header is divided into these three parts: top row, the main row, and the bottom row. Now there is only top row on this website. This is the top row only. But if you want to add anything in this sorry, this is the main row, and if you want to add anything in top row or bottom row, you can add it. Or if you want to remove something, you can remove it. Like this search, this is the search, and these are two WooCommerce icons. So these icons are added. Let's say you want these icons on the bottom row. So when I'll select it, it would take these two items to this bottom row. Or if I'll select the top row, it would take these items to the top row. But I just want it aligned because theme has done everything perfect. So I just don't want to mess with these theme designs. Now if you want to add social contact information or any other thing, what you can do is you can just drag this and you can just drop it here. Like if you want to add your social information here, you can just add all your social icons there in between or in this row, and then you can just click on settings to just add the social profiles of yours. Okay, like let's say I'll add https facebook.com/online, then youtube.com/c/grow with Hadeen. So that's how you can just add all those things, and then you can just go to header builder, and you can just make the changes by yourself. You can just play around with these headers. So here you can see we just added these social icons, but I just don't want these icons. It looked perfect, designed by the Botiga designers. I just like it. Then you have this footer builder. This is basically the main footer, and this is also divided into these three parts. So if you want to add anything, just go to that part and you can edit that part easily, like these social icons, this one. If you want to edit this text or you want to edit these menus, you can just edit these menus from here. You have this footer, you have all these links, and you can just edit the links from here. Like you have these links, and you can just edit those links, and after doing that you can just publish it. And you also have this option to view it on the tablet and to view on the mobile, how it looks on tablet, how it looks on the mobile. And then you have multiple options, like you have these styles. First of all, you can change the typography. I would recommend, because you are doing it at a minimal level, you don't want more efforts to be involved in it. But if you are a freelancer, you want to provide services, then you can play around with it in a sample project. But if you are not freelancer yourself and you want to do it for your client, then I would, or if you want to do it for yourself, then I would recommend, don't mess up with the designs. Keep it as it is. Then you can change the product, just change the text, and that's all. And I'll tell you how to do that. So from here, you can just change the text of the body, headings, header menus, and general text as well. You can change the fonts, you can change each and everything, or also you can just change the color. So first of all, you can select a color palette from here, and I would recommend you to select a color palette, because it would be reliable for you. It would be easy for you. Like, this is the color palette. Then if I want this red color palette, or let's say if I want this color palette, so according to the color palette, all those colors would be aligned, and design will also be not messed up. So I would recommend you to select a color palette according to your brand, and then you can just utilize those colors. Then you have these layouts, content width, it's good. We don't want to mess up with it. Then you have this background, and I just don't want background. But if you want a background, then you can just select a background image to be shown in the background of the website. If the website width is less, then on the white sides, background would be shown. Like, let's say I just want this web background to be showed. So here you can see this is the background of the website, and then I just want it on which website I just want it. Then preset, it should be fit to screen, fill the screen, it should fill the screen, and that's how it works. Okay, I just want to remove it because I don't like these backgrounds. Like, I just want things simple, and people like the things simple. So these were all the basic customization settings, navigations, and site styles. And then you have these elements. If you want to edit the button types, like if you want to edit how how people interact with button, you can also change these are all custom things. You can do it by your Elementor custom as well, in custom as well. But if you want to change the default settings, then you can change these settings from here. Like, what should be the font style? It should be heading or body. I want it body. Then a font size, or what should be on screen, tablet, and mobile phone. Let's say on computer, I just want a bigger font size. So font size would be increased. Let's say I just want a smaller font size. Let's say I want bigger font size. It would be increased or decreased. Okay, and then you have this scroll to top, this button. If you want to edit this button, you can do all the edits from here. And here in these are WooCommerce settings, blog settings, and you have the core settings left in the customizer. In WooCommerce settings, first of all, we have these general settings. So you, shop page display, how it should be displayed, show desk products only, show categories and products, or show categories only. Like on the top page, on the main shop page, you want to show categories, because there are a lot of the stores. First of all, when you will go to shop, they will show the stories, the categories only, and then you just have to select a category, and then you will be directed to the next part. But some of them show the products only, and some of them show the both these things. Then you have, if you want to show how you want to show the categories, and then the default product sorting. What would be the default product sorting? You can select it by popularity, or the sort by most recent, or sort by price. What is the default the sorting? And then if you want to add any store notice, like there was COVID back there, so there were COVID notices on the top, or when there is holidays, or you want to add any notice to your website, you can just enable the store notice and just add a text of your choice, and you can just add it to your website. And like, you can provide information to your customers like this one. Okay, I'll just remove it. And then you have this product catalog, how you want your product catalog to be shown. First of all, it's the layout. It should be in grid or list. And then what should be the sidebar layout? I just don't want it sidebar, or if you want sidebar in product catalog, you can add it. And then if you want to show the breadcrumbs or not, then how product card should be should look like. These are some of the layouts, and this is how it would look if you have a sidebar, but I don't want sidebar. So if I'll remove the sidebar, this is how it would look. Let me just show you, let me just show you. So let's just wait for it. And this is without the sidebar. So and now here you have also have some of the options, like what do you want to show here. Like in a layout, you products per row, how many products per row. Right now there are 3 products, so if you want to show 5 products per row, and then rows per page, and all these kind of things, you have all those options. Then you have the product card, how your product card should look like this one, or it should look like this one. Now the buttons are bigger because I selected these buttons to be bigger. So if you want to change that, you obviously you will have to go back in the buttons, and you will just have to make these buttons a bit smaller, so those buttons would get smaller. Okay. And then here in the product catalog, you have the sale tag, how you want sale tag to be displayed, like this one on the right or left, and how much should be the spacing. Then if you want it round, you can select it round. Then what should be the badge of it. Then if you want to display the percentage of sale or not. Then you have the categories, how you want categories to be displayed, like this one, this one, this one, this one. Like it completely depends on you. And like let's say I want it this way, so it would the categories would be shown this way, or any way you want. Okay. And then we'll just go back, and then you have this single product, and how your single product would be displayed. Like if we'll go to the single product page, this is basically a single product page, how it looks by default. But if you want it that way, you can like you have multiple options, so you can just display the way you display it, or like display it to the users the way you want. You have this one, layout 1, layout 2, layout 3. You have 3 layouts. You can select any layout from these layouts. Then if you want to apply this zoom effect or not, you could be able to see that zoom effect when you click on when you hover over an image. And then Ajax add to cart, enable it. And which elements do you want to show or not. Like let's say I just don't want to show this meta, so I'll just remove it. I'll just click it on hide. Then if you want to upsell projects, by upselling I mean these are related products. And if you want to show those related products or not, then recently viewed products, also enable this one. And that's all. And from here you can just change the styles as well, and this is for the single product. And after that you can just publish it and reload it if you are getting some glitch, because obviously you will get some kind of glitches, and but you can just publish it and reload it to avoid those glitches. I just don't want to be perfect while designing the website, because obviously this is a technical thing. No matter how much expert you are, you will face errors, and you just have to like deal with those errors. Okay. So here we got it reloaded, and then we'll just go to the checkout now to change the checkout settings. So it will take us to the checkout field to show us the live results, that how it looks on checkout and how it should look on checkout. And first of all, you have this company name field. If you want a company name field or not, I want it hidden. Then address line 2, then phone, it is required. Then which is the policy page you want to show, this one. And then these are 2 layouts for the checkout layout, checkout pages. First one is this one, like this one, or and the second one is this one, and the terms and condition page as well. So we don't have it, so we'll just leave it. And this is the one type of the checkout page, and this is the second type. I like this one. And if you want to add those coupons thing as well or not, you can select that coupon thing as well. And then also we'll just go to cart, and how your cart should be displayed. First one is this layout, then second one is this layout. You have 2 layouts. You can select any of these layouts, and you also have the mini cart to cross sell. So you have a mini cart and you can do the cross selling as well. Okay. In the cart you will also get the coupon form, and you will also get that cross selling option. So you have these two options. If you want it, you can use it, otherwise you can leave it. Then you have this product search, and if you want to enable Ajax search and popular products, you can enable or disable these. By default these are disabled, but I'll enable it because I want more features on my website. Then how product images should be displayed, like 1:1 custom or 4:3 uncropped or uncropped. I will say uncropped, and then I'll just go back. Now we are done with the WooCommerce settings. I'll just publish it, and these are all the WooCommerce settings. Then we also have some settings for the blog. First of all, the blog archives, how we want blog archives to look like. You can just go directly to the blog to see how it looks on blogs. So we'll just directly go to the blogs and we'll see how it looks on blogs. So you have just different type of blog archives. If you want to enable these archives, you can enable it, and you can also enable the sidebar. And how much columns do you want to show? I just want to show 2 columns. Then the spacing, then the title spacing, excerpt length, and which things do you want to show? I just want to show all these things: post, comments, author, and the date. I want to show all these things. And then what should be the delimiter style? I want this one. And then we'll just go back, and then we have this single post settings, how you want the single post, if you want the sidebar or not, and all these kind of settings. So you can play around with these settings. Then you have these core settings like widgets, and then you have the menus if you want to add or remove anything in menu. So this is the menu. I'll just publish it. And about menus, let me just show you a more simpler and easier solution. We have published this now. We'll just go back to the WP admin. And here in appearance, you have this menus, and this is basically the menu. Let me just show you. This is basically the menu which is appearing on the top of your website. Let me just show you. If you will click on the visit website, and you will get this menu. Okay, so if you want this menu to be changed, you want any other to add any other thing in this menu, or you want to just change something in this menu, you can change it. Select the menu. I want to select this main primary menu. Just click on select, and it would select the main menu for you. And let's just see, it would load in a while, in a bit, and after that we can see what's happening there. So here we have this menu, and we have all these things. If you want to align these things, if you want to realign these things, or if you want to add any other thing, like let's say I want to add my YouTube channel link as well. So I'll say YouTube, and then I'll add youtube.com/c/grow with Khadeen, and I'll just click on add to menu, and it would add a new thing to menu. Oh my god. I just did something wrong, and that was, I'll just got it. This is the URL and this is the label. So in label I have to add the label, and in link I have to add the link. So here I just added both these things, and now what I'll do is I'll check it. So let's just reload it, and you will see a YouTube thing here as well. So and I'll just click on it. It will take me to the YouTube channel. Now it's time to edit our pages with Elementor. First of all, we'll edit the home page. You can also edit contact page or any other page compatible with Elementor using Elementor. And Elementor is as easy as Google Slides. To edit any page with Elementor, just go to the page and click on edit with Elementor, and it would take you to the Elementor page editor. Here you have this Elementor page builder, and here we will be doing all the edits. And first of all, let me just give you an overview, brief overview of Elementor, how it works. So first of all, you have these basic settings: site settings, theme builder, user preferences. These are global settings. We don't have to worry about this. And when you will click on these 9 dots, you will have all the items here which you can add. You can just drag and drop those items. And then you have these settings here. You can change the page title or these kind of things. Then you have this navigator. With the navigator, you can navigate to different sections easily. and then you have this history. Let's say you made some edits and you want to just reverse those edits, but you just lost like you just quit the website. You can check the revisions here, when the revisions were made in past, and you can see these were the revisions made in past, 34 minutes ago, 34 minutes ago, and I can just revise to the previous versions as well. Then here you have this responsive mode. When you will click on this responsive mode, you can check how it looks on mobile, on tablet, and on desktop, and you can just compare it. Now, if you want to edit any section, you just have to click on these three dots. These six dots, and from here you can make all the edits. First of all, you have when you will click on edit, click on anything, any product, any section. So basically Elementor is divided into sections, then sections are divided into columns. This is the section, these are two columns, and columns have their products in it, or the objects in it. So here, this is the section. If you want to edit this section, first of all, you have three options to edit it. First of all, layout, how you want its layout, height, and etc, etc. Then you have the styles. If you want to change the picture, let's say you don't want cosmetics, you want to list some other thing here, or you want to add any other banner here, you can add that banner here. And if you want to add an overlay, just go to background overlay, and you can add a background overlay as well. Like it's on you how you want it to be displayed. Then you can just change the you can just change the colors, etc, etc. And then if you want to edit any other thing, like let's say you want to edit the column, just click on the column and you can edit it. Then you have first of all layout, then style, and then advanced settings are not too much important if you don't know a lot about design. Okay, so if you want to edit any object like this text, just click on that text, and from here you can edit all these text. And then to edit the you can edit the headings, etc. And if you want to edit the style, and you just have to go to styles, and from here you can change the style. Like you want to change the typography, from here you can just change the typography. So the default typography font was this one. Then you can change the size and everything. Like let's say you want to edit this button, you can edit this button as well. You can change the text, you can change the color of this button, and when you hover over it, how it looks. Let's say I want it red, so I'll select red. So when I'll click on it, it will become red. So that's how you can just play around with it as well. And let's say I just want this button round, so I'll just increase its border radius. So here you go, we just got this button in round shape. I just did it 50 and it's in a round shape now. So that's how you can just play around with it. And then if you want to make this button a bit bigger, so you can make this button a bit bigger as well, as much as you want. It totally depends on your choice. Then after that, you have this featured collection. You just have to edit the text, edit the product. So this is the product catalog, and it's edited by itself. To get the product catalogs, you can just search on Google for WooCommerce short codes, and you will get the WooCommerce product short codes. If you want to add the products, now three products are here, but it's on you how much products do you want. Now there are three columns. Let's say I want four columns and 8 products, but right now I guess we have only yeah. So here you can see the 8 products and 4 columns, and let's say I just want 4 products and 4 columns, so it would show the 4 products and 4 columns. Then you have this section, and by default it was different. I just did some edits in it, and you can also do some edits in it. Like let's say I just did some edits in this background image. The background image was this fixed default, and what I did, I just selected fixed, and it was then fixed. Then if you want to change the color background text, you can just do it from this formula. Then you have these featured categories. We have these uh, 10 categories. If you want to remove something, you can remove it. Then if you want, let's say I want to remove this column, and from here you can just edit these categories. Then you can direct them to your category page, to cosmetics, makeup, or any other category. You can select the category, you can copy the category link, and you can just paste it here. And now how to just get that category link, let me just show you. I will just go there, and you can just go to product categories by going to dashboard, And here I'll tell you how to add the products and categories, but in products you will get the product categories, and from here you can just copy the link of each category and you can put that link here. So we have just one category right now, this one. I'll just copy its link and I'll just paste it. So when someone will click on this one, they will just go to the that category page. If you want to add more categories into it, you can just right click on the column and then click on duplicate. It would be duplicated. If you want have more categories, you can duplicate the complete section and then you can just change those texts. Okay, and this is the placeholder video. You can just change the link of the video, and if you want to add anything by yourself, just click on this add and add a section, then select a product from here. Let's say I want to add something. Let's say I want to add a basic gallery, or I want to add a counter. I can add a counter, cool numbers, and that's how I can add a counter, or I want to add anything, because there are a lot of options. So you can select any of these options. Then you have some WooCommerce things as well, and then WordPress things as well. Like, you have a lot of options. You can add anything you want. And then you have this SoundCloud, social icons, accordion. Let's say I want to add an accordion, so that's how accordion would be added. So if you want to add any facts, etc., and after that you can just click on update and the page would be updated. Same is the case. We will now go back to our main website, and same is the case with the other pages as well. Yeah, when you will go to the contact us page, you just have to click on edit with Elementor, and you can do edits by yourself. Any edit you want to do, you can do it. Now we have this map, this information, email, the form, etc. You can just go to the contact page and you can just do the edits into your form as well. And after that, it's time for the WooCommerce settings. To do the WooCommerce settings, you just have to go to dashboard, and there you can do all the WooCommerce settings required. Now going to dashboard, you just have to go to WooCommerce. Just click on WooCommerce and you will get your WooCommerce dashboard, where you have all your sales tracking and all these kind of things. You can track all your WooCommerce stuff, your orders, your revenue, and all these kind of things, because you are going to sell the products, and then you will have to manage the orders, customers, coupons, reports, etc., etc., and you can just manage it all from here. And you can see this is and like we can see each and everything here. And then we have these orders here. You can track all your orders, the orders you will get on your store. You can track it from here. This is on the back end, and we don't have any orders here, but you can add a custom order here, or when an order would be placed from the website, it would show here. Then you have this customers section. Here you will get the list of all your customers, the customers you have. Then you have the coupons. In that coupon section, you can create new coupons and you can just track the coupons. Then you have all the reports of your sales, and at the end you have this settings section. And in coupons, you can just click on create your first coupon, and you can just create the coupon and add a coupon. How much discount do you want to offer, and on which product do you want to offer the discount? But this is like this is usual after you have added several products, and it would be visible in the marketing. Okay, now we will just go to the settings of WooCommerce settings, and there you can select your payment methods, add your payment methods like PayPal, Stripe. You can select all your shipping kind of things. First of all, you just have to add all your like details, all your business details, which is your country. Like my country is Pakistan, so I will just sorry, it's where do you want to sell, the store address. So if it is internet, first of all, it's your country, the store address. Let me just search for Pakistan. This is Pakistan, and I'll select Pakistan, Punjab. And then what is my zip code? Then where do you want to sell? Sell to all countries, specific countries, or sell to all countries except for. So I would say sell to specific countries, and I just want to sell to Pakistan only because it's a local store. Then ship to countries, all countries you sell. Then okay, and then if you want to enable the taxes or not, then enable coupon codes or not, and enable calculate the coupon discounts sequentially. And then like you have all the currency options and these kind of things. You can just make your changes by yourself. Then you have the product settings. Just go to the products, and here you have the settings for shop page, placeholder, images. Then you have this shipping settings. You can play around with the shippings as well, like you can add the shipping zones, shipping classes, shipping options. Like here you can select how much would you charge for how much weight, then for how much you are offering, for how much products or how much price of product you are offering free shipping, then in which regions you are offering free shipping, in which regions you are charging more, for which products you are charging less. Like for TVs, you cannot charge same as if you are shipping a small thing like plates or mobile phones or like remotes. Let's say you are shipping remotes, you will charge less than shipping a TV. So you just have to select the categories and do all that, and it would take time. You can do it all by yourself, no worries about that. And then at the end you have these payments, and here in payments you can add your preferred payment method. Like you have PayPal, you have Stripe, then by default you will have cash on delivery, and then you have the bank transfer as well. And here, like if you want to enable bank transfers, check payments, I want to enable the cash on delivery, and I'll just click on save changes. And then you can add other payment methods as well. But you here you can set up the PayPal payments. Then you can do the others as well. You can just go to extensions, you can do it. Or the best option that I would give you is you can just download this, add this WooCommerce Payments plugin to your store, this one. Or what you can do is any payment method you want to add, just go to the plugins and search for that specific plugin. You will get it. Like in my area, there are payment methods like Easy Pesa or these kind of things. Like let's say I'll just search for Easy Pay, so I'll just get that payment method. I just got that Easy Pay, mobile money, or these kind of things. Then if I want to add Stripe, I'll search for Stripe, and I will get the plugin for Stripe as well for credit card, debit card information. Or I want to check out, I want PayPal, I'll just have to search for it, and I will just get that payment method here. So I just got this WooCommerce PayPal payments, then I can just integrate it with my PayPal account, business account, and my payments would be done. But right now I have just one option, which is cash on delivery. I cannot add my connect my Stripe account or PayPal account to this dummy store. And now it's time to add products to our store. And to add the products to our store, what we have to do is we just have to go to this product section, click on all products, and we will get a list of all the products. And now we can just add new products. Most preferred is remove all these products and add new products, but I just want to show you how it works. So first of all, I'll just edit a product, and I'll just then tell you that how you can add a new product as well. So first of all, here you have this category section. You will get all the product categories. So I would recommend you to add the product categories first to before those checkout and WooCommerce settings, because then you can classify the categories with the other things like shipping costs, and how much would you charge and how much time it would take and these kind of things. So first of all, create the categories and tags for the products. Well, right now we have just one category as cosmetic. To add new categories, like let's say makeup, you just have to add a category name, then slug would automatically be added, and then you can just add a picture of that category if you want, and then click on add new category. And to add more categories, you can add more categories as well. Like let's say you just want to add a subcategory. So add like I want to add lipstick. Lipstick falls in makeup, so I'll select makeup and display as subcategories, and then I'll just click on add new category, and it would be added. Then you have these attributes. If you want to add any attributes to your store, like you are selling t-shirts or these kind of things, so you can add colors as well. Like attribute would be the color, and then sorry, Yeah. So then you can just configure the terms red, blue, white, and you can add a swatches plugin for swatches. You can watch the tutorials on YouTube about swatches and colors, and you can add the categories and the sizes to the products. Like, let's say that you want to start an t-shirts store or a clothing store, then you would need those swatches kind of things, because you would have custom sizes, large, extra large, medium, small. You would have colors, so you would need that. And now it's time to add the products. So I'll just go to the products, and we'll just start adding the products. I'll tell you how to add the products. So here we are on the product section. Now what we have to do is we just have to edit a product. You just have to click on this edit button, and you can just edit the product. Obviously you will be adding your own new products, but as this is a tutorial, I just want to teach you how it works. I'll just tell you what are the things here, so you can add your own products here. So to add a product, first of all, you will have you will need to add a title. First of all, here you can see this is the title. Then here you will see you will have to add the description of the product, and then this is the product image. So you just have to click on add here, and you will have to add a product image. Then if you want to add more images, just click on this, and you can add more product images to the gallery. And let's say you have taken 10 pictures of your product. We'll just select all those pictures from here, and we'll just add those pictures to gallery, add more product images. Like, let's say I want to add this one, then I want to add this one, this one. Just click on add to gallery. Then here you can just select the categories, the product tags, and short description added here. Any comments if you want to add. Then you have this we just go up, and first of all, the product type, what the product type is. So is it a simple product, group product, or external affiliate product? Like, let's say there's a product on Amazon of yours, or like you are promoting someone else's product on Amazon, then you can select this one. This is for simple products. This is for variable products. By variable products, I mean the t-shirts. There are 3 t-shirts: small, large, medium, and there are 3 colors: yellow, pink, green. Then you can just select the variable product. Then if this is a downloadable product or virtual product, then you can select these options. And here the regular price, the sale price. From here you can select the sales schedule, when the sale will happen. Then what is the SKU number, is it in stock, out of stock, or that. And then the limit, the number of purchases. Then how shipping would be added. As I told you about the shipping classes, you just have to create a shipping class and apply that shipping class here. So according to that shipping class, shipping charges would automatically be applied, and other things would be applied as well. Then the dimensions of the product if you want to add. Then if any linked product for upselling and cross selling, so you can add any external products as well, if you know about those products. And then the attributes, this color, just add this attribute as like that, and then you can just select the values from it, like it has blue color, white color, red color, or these kind of things. Then you have some of the advanced settings. After that, just click on update. The product would be updated, and now you can just view this product. Now it is done, and what we will do is we will just see all the products, and we will just view the product. So this is saying asking us to view the product, so I'll just click on view the product, and this is our product. This is how our product looks. This is the like the title. This is the description. The add to cart button, I made add to cart buttons a bit like larger. Here you can see it's on sale. Then we have this complete product gallery. This is the product gallery, and we can just also add like do it. And we cannot just add more products to the cart, because I just set the limit to 1. Okay, I'll just click on add to cart. After it is added to cart, now I can just go to my cart, and I can just check it out. So this is the cart, and I will, if I have any coupon, I can apply it. And after that, just click on proceed to checkout. Here you will have to add all your checkout details, like the name and all these kind of things. And after that, we have this only cash on delivery method. So after adding that, I'll just click on place order. Order would be placed, and order has been received. You will receive the email as well, and here in dashboard you will get the notification of the orders as well. Like when you will just go to products, sorry, WooCommerce, and in orders you have one order. Now what you can do is someone orders something, just go to that order and click on that order. And now here it has status is on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, failed, and pending payment, etc., etc. So let's say it's processing, then the shipping address, then order actions. What do you want to do? Email invoice, resend a new order confirmation, or regenerate download permissions. Then you have other options as well. You can just do all that, whatever you want, and then select the status and just update this order. And you can also add some notes to that order. Now let's say I want this order to be completed, okay, and I'll just click on update, and this order has been completed now. And you can see from this email I just ordered it. So this is the email, thanks for supporting us order. I just got the email. This is the customer's email. I received this on the on my email, this invoice, and then this one. And you have received the order from Khadeen Akbar. This was for me, and the same email is the vendor and same email is ordering. So that's why I just received these emails as a vendor and as a customer as well. So I received the email. I cannot show you the complete email because I have some confidential emails there. But yeah, you will receive email whenever someone buys something, and you can just change its status. You can ship it and do it all that stuff, and the customer would also receive the order email of that order and invoice as well. And now it's time to add the products. So I'll just go to the products, and we'll just start adding the products. I'll tell you how to add the products. So here we are on the product section. Now what we have to do is we just have to edit a product. You just have to click on this edit button, and you can just edit the product. Obviously you will be adding your own new products, but as this is a tutorial, I just want to teach you how it works. I'll just tell you what are the things here so you can add your own products here. So to add a product, first of all, you will have you will need to add a title. First of all, here you can see this is the title. Then here you will see you will have to add the description of the product, and then this is the product image. So you just have to click on add here, and you will have to add a product image. Then if you want to add more images, just click on this, and you can add more product images to the gallery. And let's say you have taken 10 pictures of your product. We'll just select all those pictures from here, and we'll just add those pictures to gallery, add more product images. Like let's say I want to add this one, then I want to add this one, this one. Just click on add to gallery. Then here you can just select the categories, the product tags, and a short description added here, any comments if you want to add. Then you have this we just go up, and first of all the product type, what the product type is. So is it a simple product, group product, or external affiliate product? Like let's say there's a product on Amazon of yours, or like you are promoting someone else's product on Amazon, then you can select this one. This is for simple products. This is for variable products. By variable products I mean the t-shirts. There are 3 t-shirts: small, large, medium, and there are 3 colors: yellow, pink, green. Then you can just select the variable product. Then if this is a downloadable product or virtual product, then you can select these options. And here the regular price, the sale price. From here you can select the sales schedule, when the sale will happen. Then what is the SKU number, is it in stock, out of stock, or that. And then the limit, the number of purchases. Then how shipping would be added. As I told you about the shipping classes, you just have to create a shipping class and apply that shipping class here. So according to that shipping class, shipping charges would automatically be applied, and other things would be applied as well. Then the dimensions of the product if you want to add. Then if any linked product for upselling and cross-selling. So you can add any external products as well, if you know about those products. And then the attributes, this color, just add this attribute as like that, and then you can just select the values from it. Like it has blue color, white color, red color or these kind of things. Then you have some of the advanced settings. After that, just click on update. The product would be updated, and now you can just view this product. Now it is done, and what we will do is we will just see all the products, and we will just view the product. So this is saying asking us to view the product, so I'll just click on view the product, and this is our product. This is how our product looks. This is the the title. This is the description. The add to cart button, I made add to cart buttons a bit like larger. Here you can see it's on sale. Then we have this complete product gallery. This is the product gallery, and we can just also add do it, and we cannot just add more products to the cart because I just set the limit to 1. Okay, I'll just click on add to cart. After it is added to cart, now I can just go to my cart, and I can just check it out. So this is the cart, and I will, if I have any coupon, I can apply it. And after that, just click on proceed to checkout. Here you will have to add all your checkout details, like the name and all these kind of things. And after that, we have this only cash on delivery method. So after adding that, I'll just click on place order. Order would be placed, and order has been received. You will receive the email as well, and here in dashboard you will get the notification of the orders as well. Like when you will just go to products, WooCommerce, and in orders you have one order. Now what you can do is someone orders something, just go to that order and click on that order. And now here it has status is on hold, completed, cancelled, refunded, failed, and pending payment, etc., etc. So let's say it's processing. Then the shipping address, then order actions. What do you want to do? Email invoice, resend a new order confirmation, or regenerate download permissions. Then you have other options as well. You can just do all that, whatever you want, and then select the status and just update this order. And you can also add some notes to that order. Now let's say I want this order to be completed. Okay, and I'll just click on update, and this order has been completed now. And you can see from this email I just ordered it. So this is the email: thanks for supporting us, order. I just got the email. This is the customer's email. I received this on my email, this invoice, and then this one. And you have received the order from Khadeen Akbar. This was for me, and the same email is the vendor, and same email is ordering. So that's why I just received these emails as a vendor and as a customer as well. So I received the email. I cannot show you the complete email because I have some confidential emails there. But yeah, you will receive email whenever someone buys something, and you can just change its status. You can ship it and do it all that stuff, and the customer would also receive the order email of that order and invoice as well.